Can you solve this tricky geometry question? We are given a blue square with an area of 16 square units and 4 squares arranged around this blue square like this. And the question is to find the area of this pink shaded square. You can pause the video and take a moment to think about it. When you are ready, you can always come back to verify your answer. Alright, let us solve it together. We are told that the area of this blue shaded square is 16 square units. That means its side length must be the square root of 16, which is 4 units. Right? That means this length is 4 units, and this length is also 4 units. Now let us define the side length of this small inner square as x units. Now look carefully. If this length is 4 units, and this length is x units, that means the total length of this square will be 4 plus x units, right? And since all sides of square are equal in length, which means this length is also 4 plus x units, correct? Again, if this length is 4 units, and this length is 4 plus x units, that means the total length of this square will be 4 plus x units, which is 8 plus x units. So this is 8 plus x units, and this is also 8 plus x units, right? Similarly, if this length is 4 units, and this length is 8 plus x units, that means the total length of this square will be 4 plus 8 plus x units, which is 12 plus x units. So this is 12 plus x units, and this is also 12 plus x units. Now if this length is 4 units, and this length is 12 plus x units, that means the total length of this square will be 4 plus 12 plus x units, which is 16 plus x units. So this is 16 plus x units, and this is also 16 plus x units, correct? And if total length of this square is 16 plus x units, and this inner length here is x units, that means the side length of this pink square will be this length of this square minus length of this square, which is 16 plus x minus x, or 16 units, right? We know that area of square is calculated by squaring its side. So substituting side equal to 16 units in area formula, we have area of this pink shaded square is equal to 16 multiplied by 16, which equals 256 square units. And that is our final answer. Pretty neat, right? What seemed complex at first turned out to be surprisingly simple in the end. But wait, before you go, I have one bonus challenge for you. Can you find the area of this pink square in terms of a variable z instead of a specific number? Think it through and share your answer in the comments below. Let us see who can figure it out. If you enjoyed this explanation and learned something new, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun brain-teasing math questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.